Craving a quick and delicious dinner recipe? Imagine a dish that combines the hearty goodness of chicken with the fresh crunch of vegetables, all seasoned with aromatic herbs and a tangy lemon garlic Parmesan dressing. Welcome to the world of sheet pan lemon garlic, Parmesan chicken and vegetables, a one-pan wonder that's bound to become a household favorite. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need chicken breasts, mixed vegetables, think broccoli and bell peppers for a vibrant mix of colors and textures. For the dressing, assemble fresh garlic, lemon juice, and grated Parmesan. And don't forget your seasonings. Salt, pepper, and Italian herbs are the magic trio that brings this dish to life. Start by preheating your oven. While it warms up, toss your chicken breasts and vegetables onto a sheet pan. You're creating a canvas of flavor here, so spread them out evenly. Now it's time to add some zing. Drizzle the lemon juice over your pan, followed by the minced garlic. This combination infuses your dish with a tangy, savory flavor that's truly irresistible. Next, sprinkle the grated Parmesan over the top. This adds a layer of creamy, cheesy goodness that beautifully complements the acidity of the lemon and the pungency of the garlic. Finally, season with salt, pepper, and Italian herbs. These herbs add depth and complexity, making this simple dish taste like a gourmet meal. Slide your sheet pan into the oven and let the heat work its magic. Bake until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. You'll know it's done when the chicken is no longer pink in the middle and the vegetables are easily pierced with a fork. And there you have it. Sheet pan, lemon, garlic, Parmesan chicken, and vegetables. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, all cooked together on one pan for minimal cleanup. You've got the succulent chicken, the crisp, tender vegetables, the tangy lemon, the aromatic garlic, and the rich Parmesan. All these elements come together to create a dish that's not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to make. So, next time you're in a bind for what to cook for dinner, remember this recipe. It's quick, it's easy, and it's satisfying. And best of all, it's a meal that everyone will love. Now that's what we call a dinner win.